You know what? I haven't done a table video or repair video, anything like that in a while, so since I just got this warranted and I never did an unboxing or an install video for this thing, might as well do it now. So obviously Firma 160 amp esc. This one, I mean, it powers on and all that. It just, for whatever reason, it miscounts the cells in my batteries and goes into low voltage cutoff. But anyway, I did the online chat with Horizon Hobby, and only took maybe a week, maybe, let's say we'll call it 10 days. It took about 10 days from the time I contacted them till now, which was right after the holidays. And let's not forget, we're in the middle of a pandemic, so yeah, that's really good turnaround times. And I was loving the ESC up until it kind of just farted on me. I just wanted to say that on the internet. Anyway, it was great. I mean, as you guys know, I mostly do the RCs for my dog. And it's kind of, I mean, it's frustrating when your ESC is overheating and your dog still wants to go play and wants to go chase. So the dog doesn't know what's going on, so he's barking and jumping up and down and wanting to go, or he's upset because I'm telling him to sit and lay down, and now I'm upset because he's on my nerves, and it's just not a good time for people or the dogs. So going to 160 amp, I mean, I have zero heat issues. I'm gonna upgrade the motor here soon because that gets warm. But I mean, this thing, it took what, 2 battery packs to get up to 150 degrees, and I was on it. So I'm not even geared up, but really good for, I mean, great punch, great performing ESC, like I said, up until it just went for whatever reason. So we're gonna go ahead and throw this one in, and just so you guys can see, because it's obviously, this is a Arrma Notorious 6S. This is a V4, but I had to cut out 4 little mounting points here to fit through the little sidewall, which worked out really well. So anyway, we're gonna do the exact same setup that I had. Eventually, honestly, since Horizon hooked it up so smoothly and really just handled business. Throw this away here. I'm gonna go ahead and complete the Spektrum setup with this one. I've got the DX5C on here, and I thought about just swapping it over, but I forgot there's some things that are glued and all to get it to stay, and I had to whittle away for the receiver box to get it to work. So instead, I think I'm gonna get the DX5C rugged, and maybe the new receiver box for the Arrmas. Throw that one on here because this is the dog park rig, and I do stupid jumps with this one. So I want the rugged, DX5C rugged. I'll keep the DX5C with this one because I'm already used to it. And I think this one will get the FPV, and the Dumbo will stay with this guy here, which we'll talk about that later on. So yeah, let's put this all together. You can see the brand new Firma 160 amp. That's pretty. Oh, that's a little different. It's got the capacitors and everything on it. Did they upgrade me? They sure did. Okay. They're gonna upgrade me. I appreciate you. Pull this through here. Well, I mean, it's still the 160 amp, but as you guys can see, I did not have this capacitor pack on it. So I ain't even mad. Because either way, I was really happy with that ESC, and if this one's gonna be better, oh, and then it's got the extra, so I don't have to unplug this one to program and everything. Hold up, since this is different, let me see what else is different on here. I might edit some of this out, but they hit a brother with an upgrade. Power it up real quick. Fuck y'all want? Oh. Well, where's the sheathen? Where's the heathen? Oh, yes, it's almost fixed. Alright, well, so now it works. So the only thing left now, put the pinion gear in. Everything's solid. We'll give it a little test. You want to test out your car, see if the ESC is working now? Huh? Is that what you want to do? Is that what you want to do? Hold on, have a seat. Hey, back up and have a seat. You gotta have a seat. Sit. Hey. Sit. Thank you. Ooh. Come here. Hey, let's go. Damn, you're cute. You be on my nerves sometimes, but you're cute. Oh, you know where you're going, huh? You don't need me. How we do this? How's this work, huh? How's this work? Well, oh, good. Wait right there. Wait. That's a good boy. You gotta wait. Hold on. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, that sounds good. Got that 160 amp warranty. It's got the extra capacitors on it. So thank you, Verizon Hobby. To the earplugs in the center diff. 30,000 CST in the rear. Same thing up front. Shimmed everything. Well, this sounds good. It's quiet. Almost at it. You gotta be quicker than that. Got the earplugs in the center diff. I like it with the Notorious shit. Good catch. Drop it. Hey, good job. Leave it. Hold on. Go get it. Slinging goose doo-doo. Good catch. Drop it. Hold on. Oh, you cheater. Watch out. You don't give a damn, do you? Little linebacker. Get you some water. Go get it. Got me. Good catch. Horrible driving by me. Come on. Let's go. Good catch. Drop it. Good job, man. Good catch. Drop it. Good job. Leave it. That's a good piggy. That's a good piggy. Watch out. Let's see if I can get a backflip while he's chasing it. Yo. 20 power. This thing hauls ass though. Oh, just cut off. Good catch. Time to go home. Yep, time to go home.